Classic lines and a versatile floor plan set the stage for gracious living at this superb in-town residence, with short walks or drives to all the amenities of Providence and the East Side. Step into the main entry and follow the lovely hardwood floors into a light-filled open living area. Lead guests into the adjacent dining room with a captivating fireplace and the home's side entry. Enjoy the possibilities of one-level living in the comfortable first-floor bedroom. A spa-style full bath offers a deep soaking tub and a walk-in shower. Now move into the well-appointed kitchen, discreetly tucked away for seamless entertaining. A farmhouse sink, butcher block counters, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in bench with bonus storage create the perfect blend of beauty and function. When soft breezes suggest alfresco dining, walkout access connects you to the fabulous rear deck. Step down to the fully fenced backyard for a private slice of leafy tranquility. Segue back inside where stairs to the second floor lead you to 3 more bedrooms with warm hardwood floors, 2 of which share access to another pleasantly updated full bath with a laundry area. After a good night's rest, new experiences await in this enviable location. The property is just steps from Whole Foods and other convenient shopping. Enjoy the East Side's amazing variety of historic parks and lively cafes. The city's shops, restaurants, downtown, and hospitals are all nearby, along with the campuses and museums of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Quick highway access and proximity to the Providence train station allow for easy rides throughout the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.